this video, I'll talk about how you can become an affiliate on Temu. What you have to do is just head over to Google and type in affiliate program Temu and head over to their website. In here, it's going to ask you to log into your account and just quickly go through a 1 or 2 step progress, and then you'll be on the site. Now, the way that you can use your affiliate is you want to scroll down until you find your link right here. Now, these are links for different deals, but as you can see, this link and this link will be the same, but the exclusive deal right here is another one. So all of these links are for me. So if anyone uses these links, I'm gonna receive some kind of commission. You can also head over to invite affiliate, click on this big button, and you will also be able to see you have a link in here. So if you don't want to copy the whole message and just copy the link, you can click here and you will then copy this link that you can send to people. So that is basically how the affiliate works. So you can see here, I can invite someone and earn up to 35 euros, which is like $40. And if I invite someone with over 1,000 followers, I can receive up to this. And I'll also receive if I invite someone else who has already earned commissions in here as well. Now you can see here, I'll also get 20% secondary commission on my invited affiliates. So if I invite a person and they also invite people, I'm also going to get commission on the third people invited. So that is basically how it works, guys. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.